Namaskar. Why are we all inherently negative? Have you ever thought about it? It is natural for a lot of us to think negative than to believe in positive. Why does this happen? Imagine that there is somebody who tells you that he or she does not believe in God, which is fine. But then challenge them to go to a cemetery that night or a graveyard that night just after midnight. And probably most of them would decline. And it is very strange. And I have had some discussions with some of my friends. And I said, now you don't believe in God, you said, but why do you hesitate to go to a graveyard at the dead of night? I said, no, they are different. I said, how are they different? Have you seen God? No. And you don't believe in it. Have you seen a ghost ever in your life? No. So why believe in a ghost? Probably it's not their fault. We humans are inherently designed to believe in negative. Why? Probably because it helps us save ourselves. It's an instinct to preserve and to persist. And that is amazing. If you can realize and recognize this today, that being negative probably for most of the time is a way to protect ourselves from harm. And if you can know in that situation that it is natural, but I need to overcome it so that I can achieve what I wish to achieve in life, your life will be different. So it's not about fretting too much about negativity. And as I always say, negativity is just absence of positivity, just like darkness is absence of light. So all we have to do is fill our life with as much of positivity as possible. But recognize that we are negative, that we are thinking negative, and probably the first reaction to a new challenge or a crisis is negative, is fear. But that is only a matter of preserving yourself, and that's why you respond to it that way. But if you choose a different response, if you can train your mind to respond in a positive way, things will begin to be different for you from tomorrow. And how can we do that? All you have to do is, 1, recognize that your response to a particular event or person is negative, and it is just in your mind, and that could be false. It may not be true at all. So all we need to do is then start working on our positive self and start looking at things differently and keep affirming that this is different, that I can think positive, that I can do this. It is possible for me that I will be able to achieve this, and things will begin to be different for you. Namaskar.